Hi there, this is Jim Grover from Advantage Golf and Learning Center. We're glad you could join us here today for another golf tip from our online learning series. Today we're going to discuss a little bit about the driver from a face-on position, setup, and address. And I usually find that most of my students that have problems with a driver, it's usually the setup and the address position that leads to all the problems. So today we're going to look at a little bit about the ball position and the body position. And we'll recap a little bit what we did in the face-on view of the irons as to where the club position and the hand positions are. But first of all, let's look at the ball position real quick. The ball position for a driver should be very much forward in the stance. Usually, rule of thumb, the way I look at it is it's got to be somewhere near the heel of the forward foot to the arch. Anywhere in that area is probably going to be plenty sufficient. We want to be able to hit this ball slightly on the upward part of the swing as it's coming through, which will help us to reduce the spin rate and get the ball on line very nicely. Secondly, we're going to take a look at a little bit of the body position. And I find that a lot of people, they set up with the ball position wrong, of course, which causes to set up the body position wrong. And you would notice that my spinal column is pretty much vertical here. If I get the ball position correct, the next piece is I want to get the upper part of my spine tilted a little bit away from the target, which is going to cause my spine to lean backwards a little bit. And in order to do that, my hip carriage had to move forward slightly to offset the weight difference. If I can get into this position, now all of a sudden we look at the club position and our grip, and you'll notice that the same as it was in the irons, the butt of the club is now pointing left of the zipper nicely. And also, my grip, the V's that are formed between my thumb and forefinger area, those V's are pointing toward my back ear, back shoulder. From this position, I should be able to launch this ball pretty nicely, get the spin rate down on it, let the ball carry, and also get the ball on line very good. Our main objective with the driver, of course, is to hit it far, but we still want to be able to hit it on line. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you enjoy the series.